Welcome to Utsav, that is happening in the Designers Courtyard, a venture by Beige Gallery on the 13th and 14th of October. And as you can see that customers are already here and it's booming with customers shopping for Diwali, festive and wedding. Collection में उनके पास बहुत सुंदर Indian wear है. With that they have some very pretty quad set options as well. You are going to find something in bandhni, something in beautiful chikankari. Also, if you like something quirky, then you will find that here as well. Saris, abhas and beautiful suit set options here as well. All this is happening at the Designers Courtyard for 2 days, that is 13th and 14th. To complement it all, they have beautiful jewelry and they also have footwear for men and women both. The brand name is Papillon. Hello.
We're here with our Diwali edit.
Okay.
Look at the collection.
Alright.
Something like this.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Then we have our shaded Malai Chanderi
Okay. Malai Chanderi.
fabric with our Bandhni kaftans,
Look at that. Smart pieces.
our Peshwar kaftan,
Okay.
then solid color blocks.
Beautiful. Solid color blocks. में अपन options
Then we
है.
have some vacation wears as well.
Okay. Vacation
There are
wear.
cottons as well. Something like this.
Okay. Options in cottons as well. Wow. Very cute.
And our cow.
Lovely.
Hi, I'm Dibat. So this is brand Curry Kala, your favorite chicken curry brand. So this time we just do not have wedding trousseau. We have festive wear, we have color customization, and from cotton to muslin to chanderi tissue, we are here with all the fabrics.
Wow.
We start with the multi concepts that are not very common.
Yeah.
And we have only single pieces, so we cannot take customization in this. This is not my primary thing.
Okay.
We have the gold tissue work. Any color customization is there. Gold may we have also dyed.
Beautiful.
That's
Okay.
with the pearl work beading. We have done some different color coordinations with the pearl work.
Okay.
Our favorite pita works are already there.
Lovely.
We have done some festive cord sets that will come with the dupatta. Any color can be customized. There's a long variety of a color palette.
Lovely.
And there's our white over here.
Yes, they have their white dye bills and then they have so many options.
And for your trousseau, we have lovely unstitched ones that we stitch it and give it to you
Okay.
with
so
the
they have
Banarsi weaved.
Unstitched options. This is brand Abhi's and they have brought beautiful collection of abhas, modal, cotton. Look at that. Abhas પણ એટલા બધા કલર્સમાં છે એમની પાસે that are perfect for wedding trousseaus, festives. Very pretty for Diwali as well. Look at that. Okay, very pretty, lovely. Look at that. This is all heart work. Beautiful. એમાં બી એમની પાસે color options છે. They also have saris in beautiful kala cotton, organic tussar. Yes, look at that. Very pretty, beautiful. Also some smart options in kaftans. This is brand DC Designer Studio and they have come up with their beautiful Diwali collection. Yes, ma'am. So they have these very smart bandage. Okay. Look at that. Simply beautiful. You need minimum jewelry and you're good to go. Look at that.
Maslin Mukesh work.
Muslin Mukesh work. Wow. Okay.
For Diwali party and wedding.
Yes, absolutely. Look at that. Colors are so bright, perfect for festive, weddings. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. આખો contrast દુપટ્ટો છે. Beautiful. This is brand Honey I Made This. Hello.
Hi. So today I have collection in semi-stitch like this.
Okay.
Sidle for gifting. And then a size infused one. So there are various range in that.
Color options.
Then I have smart cords
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
In ikat, in shirts like this. Which
Okay.
You can wear it with jewelry. And I have something like this, which is an off-shoulder dress. You can show it here, and I have colors.
Okay, so
Nearly
they have
6 to
color
7
options.
colors. Then something like what I'm wearing. Again, I have color options in that. It
Okay.
can customize also.
Lovely,
Then I have suits.
beautiful.
Something in brocade.
Okay, very pretty.
Something in chandeliers as well.
Lovely. Look at
So
that.
overall, it serves everyone's purpose. So
This is brand Rang from Baroda. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, we come up with the contemporary Diwali collection you can use in your weddings,
Lovely.
cocktail parties, dinners. We have some coat sets.
They have beautiful quad set options as well.
We have some dresses. We have some coat sets like this also.
Okay.
Tie-dye one.
All right, some tie-dye options as well.
Some dhoti and palazzos.
Dhoti and plazo set options. Wow, very smart collection. Look at that, beautiful.
Some one pieces also.
Lot of options in one pieces also. These look very smart. You put in a long statement neck piece and you're good to go.
Silk ajrak prints also good.
Lovely. Okay, all right.
Some of the contemporary.
Wow. The brand name is Pacheri. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Yes.
how are you? So we are back with some festive wear,
Okay.
beautiful bhani, some dupattas, colors with the festive colors.
Look at that.
Then आपके पास ये sarees है, some beautiful sarees with the blouse pieces. We have a Georgette
Lovely.
saree this time,
Okay, Georgette sarees.
and then we have some chanderi suit pieces.
Okay, Chanderi suit pieces.
We have colors in there, beautiful colors. You can see them. The one I'm wearing, it's in cotton.
Okay.
So we have other colors in it.
Wow, that is cotton. Very pretty.
And then we have some gaji kurtas, unstitched materials.
Very pretty. Okay.
And then we have some suit pieces.
Suit pieces as well. Look at that. This is brand Kia by Avni. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, so we've launched a new collection, Chantara.
Okay.
We've got very smart, very heavy pieces for brides and also if you have functions in the house. Many colors in this.
Lovely.
Something what I'm wearing also
Yes.
is very pretty. And in this we have got many colors.
Okay.
Something in orange, a pretty pink.
Lovely. Look at
Similar
that.
to what I'm wearing, we've got sharara styles as well.
Okay. All right.
And some nice heavy marodi pieces. You can pair up with your nice dupattas. I can always help you with the dupattas.
Lovely. All right. Beautiful.
And some nice color options as well.
Look at that. Okay.
So
So
do-
many color options.
Come check out today and tomorrow for your festive collection.
It is brand Solvay and they are here with a special collection of Kolhapuris. They specialize in this entire section. They have beautiful options for festive. Along with that, they have men's wear here too. इसमें आपको 7 colors मिल जाएंगे in total. If you're somebody who likes simple, subtle colors, they have options in that too. And if you like something in festive, wedding, they have options there as well. Look at the beautiful colors they have. They can customize and Nisa Jewels by Saloni. All these rings that you are seeing are adjustable, so no worries of sizes. Along with that, beautiful kada options. These are also adjustable. If you want something in Hasli style, they have that too. This is their beautiful new collection. Pura festive fusion for parties, Diwali parties. Look at that. So much of vibrancy on the table. Just look at the beautiful pieces. If you want something in pearl, they have that as well.